In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted items in Monday.com. If you've accidentally deleted a task, group, or even an entire item, don't worry. Monday keeps them in a trash area for a limited time, and you can bring them back in just a few clicks. Start by opening Monday and heading to your home view. From the left-hand sidebar, choose Workspaces so you can quickly get to the area where the deleted item originally lived. Open the board you were working in. This keeps everything context-specific and makes recovery much faster. At the top right of the board, click the three-dot menu to open the board options. Look for the option labeled View Archive Trash. Hover over it, then select Trash. This is where fully deleted items are stored. Quick note, Archive is for items you've tucked away without deleting. Trash is for items you removed and now want to recover. Inside the trash page, use the search bar to type a keyword from the item's name. If you're not seeing what you need, add precision with filters. You can filter by type to narrow down whether you're looking for an item, a group, a board, or a specific element. Use date to focus on when the deletion happened, which is especially helpful if you know roughly when it was removed. And use board to limit results to the exact board you're restoring from. Combining search and filters is the fastest way to zero in on the right result. Once you spot the deleted item you want, click the three dots next to it to open its actions, then choose Restore. Monday will place the item back in its original board and location when possible. If you restored a group or a larger structure, give the page a moment to refresh or open the board again to see it reappear. If nothing shows up, clear your filters, try a broader keyword, or double check you're in the correct board's trash view. Keep in mind that only users with the right permissions can restore certain items, and trash is retained only for a limited period based on your plan. That's it. You've recovered your deleted work. Use search and filters first, then restore with the three-dot menu, and you'll be back on track in seconds. As a preventative tip, consider archiving items you might need later instead of deleting them outright, and make it a habit to confirm you're on the correct board before you remove anything. Little habits like these save time and avoid surprises.